Hi guys, welcome to my Estet course channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to handle multiple windows in Selenium with Java. So for practice purposes, we're going to use this leafground.com website. In this website, there are multiple actions that you can perform using the Selenium commands. Today we're going to see this work with the windows, multiple windows with Selenium commands. So how to handle the first one is the click button to open home page in new window, like this. And the second one is find the number of opened windows. So you need to click on this, and it basically should open the multiple windows like this. Yeah, like this. Yeah. And the third one is close all the except this window. Close all the child windows except for the parent window. We should leave the parent window open. And the last one, and we should click on this and then wait 5 seconds, and then it will open a window. Then we can interact with this window. So these are the main actions we want to perform using the Selenium commands. And now the first I wanted to start with creating the new class, Java class, and we're gonna call this window handle demo, and we're gonna select the public static void main. So first we're gonna set the system properties. We use the system.set property method. It will take two parameters. The first parameter is the driver Chrome. This your browser driver name as a key, and then driver location path as a value. So we're gonna use the Chrome driver. For that, we're gonna write the web driver. Pay attention, this is gonna be all lowercase. WebDriver dot Chrome dot driver. So this is the name of the driver as a first parameter, and then the second one is I have a driver here. So Chrome driver executable file is inside my drivers folder. It's in the same project folder. So that's why I'm gonna write the location of this file. So drivers / Chrome driver .exe. That's it. So the next thing we're gonna do is we need to create an object of the Chrome driver class, and we use WebDriver. This is driver here. Driver is with the capital letter. So driver reference object name. So WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver. Chrome driver is the class name. So this is we created the object of the Chrome driver. So we're gonna import the WebDriver from Selenium and also Chrome driver from this. Okay, using our driver object now, We want to uh, first we want to uh, hit the browser. We want to open the browser and hit the URL. For that, we're gonna use get method, driver.get, and here we're gonna write the URL. So let's get the URL of this page, and we're gonna write the URL here. Once we open this, we can maximize the window. For that, we use driver dot. We're gonna use driver dot manage dot window dot maximize. This is gonna maximize our window. And then we need to use some kind of wait command, so that our Selenium waited if our Selenium command needs to wait, if the page load takes a little longer, or command takes actions takes longer. So for that, we're gonna write the implicit wait. So driver dot manage dot timeouts dot implicitly wait. So here it takes duration dot um, of seconds as a parameter, and here we're gonna write how many seconds it should maximum it should wait. So we write 10 seconds. So that's it. We set the implicit wait, and now uh, we want to do the first action. So this is gonna be click action. So we need to click on this button, and it's gonna open a new window. So let's inspect this button. We can create an XPath using this onClick attribute of this button element. Okay, so for that, I will click the Control F on Windows. And so XPath, relative XPath. For relative XPath, we write double forward slash and button, square bracket, at the rate, on click, equals. So with, there you go. So we can get this with this XPath. Or we can try with the ID as well. Uh, that's another option. So ID would be home. Pound sign home. ID also works. So if there's an ID, so it's better to use the ID. So let's use the ID. So driver dot find element by dot ID. So here we're gonna write the ID dot click. So let me explain how it works in Selenium. So Selenium, basically Selenium first will be on this window. on this current window. Once it clicks this button, it will open a new window. But Selenium's focus will be still on the parent window. It will not go to the new windows or child window. It will stay on this window. So let me show this in our practical example. So before clicking that, we gonna get the driver handle using the driver dot get window handle. So the return type of the get window handle is string. If you pay attention, this is a string. So we're gonna get that, and we will call it parent window. Parent window. So this is a parent window handle. So when we get that, we will click on the button and it will open a new window. And then we're gonna get the basically, let's get the window handle again one more time, and this is gonna be parent window 2. So this is parent window 1, parent window 2. So let's print out both of them. Parent window 1 dot get title. So we're gonna use the dot basically we can get the title after before clicking. We can basically we can print it here, the title of the page, using the driver dot get title. So get title. So it will get the title of this page, this parent window page. So basically it's gonna do, it will print this title, the test leaf interact with Windows. So after clicking this, so we're gonna print out the page title again. Driver dot get title. Driver dot get title. So let's run it and we'll see. Okay, with ID it didn't work. Let's change the let's change the XPath so that we can, so that it clicked button, square bracket at the rate on click both on click value and closing the square bracket. Okay. Oh, and click. Okay, it's working now. So here I'm gonna write not ID, the XPath. So we'll write the XPath here. All right, let's run it again. Run as a Java application. Okay, great. So it clicked this time. So as you see, they're both window titles. Actually, the page titles are the same. Even if it clicked, it didn't print this new window title, because new window title, which is child window title. Let me show you. That is different. Test Leaf Selenium Playground. So in our case, so it's printing both of them are the parent window title, which is this one. Now we can even we can even print the window handles. It's gonna be the same again. The parent window 1, and here we can print the uh, parent window 2. We print it and run it. It's gonna be the same again. Yeah. So you see, it's absolutely the same. So that means it's not printing the child. It's not switching to the child window automatically. So we have to do it using our Selenium commands. So the next step we need to do is click button to open home page in new window. Uh, we already did it. So we already clicked that and it opened the new window. And the next one is when we click this, it should open multiple windows. Let's see. Um, so to do that, we need to get the locator of this button. So in here, we're gonna create the XPath again using this onClick attribute. We just need to change the value. Okay. So XPath is working. So here it's working. I'm gonna copy this XPath and I'm gonna change this XPath. Now this time we don't need to print. I mean, we can leave the so we can change this to the title of the web page. Driver dot get title, and this time we do the same. Driver dot get title. Now the second time when we click on this it will open multiple windows. But here it says find the number of opened windows. So we need to find the number of opened windows. To do that, we need to get all the window handles into a set of strings. So for that, we will write driver dot get window handles in a plural form. And if you pay attention, the return type of this get window handles is set of strings. Set of string. So we're gonna store this into the set interface, and the set of string, and we're gonna call it handles. So handles. So now once we need to import the set from java.util, and once we get this uh, set of window handles, we need to basically uh, get the size of this window handles. So let's print this using the system.out.println. So handles dot size. Handles dot size will gonna give us the size of the window handles. So now this is gonna return the same again. So we are not switching. That's why let's just just comment this out. Now let's run this code, and we'll see. Run as a Java application. Okay, great. So it opened two windows, and now with the this one is printing the parent window handle at the title, and then we have three windows totally with the parent and two children. Totally is three. So it is printing this. So this one is done. So we found the number of opened windows. Now the next one, it says close all except this window. This window means the parent window. So close all the children windows, which is this one, this one. So we need to close them. So let's close everything for now. And right now, to close those windows, after opening, we need to switch. We need to switch to those children windows. So we have set of strings. To switch to each of those child windows, we need to iterate through them. We need to iterate through them. So we will write handles dot iterator method will iterate through them. So iterator return type is iterator of string. So returns iterator over the elements in this set. So we're gonna store it into iterator of string of string. So now we're gonna store, we're gonna call it itr equals handles. So we need to import the iterator from java.util, and this interface is from java.util package. Now, after this, we need to loop through this window handles. Loop through this window handles, and we need to switch to them, and then we need to close them. So right now we know how many windows, but usually if we don't know, we write a while loop. Like we don't know after clicking some button how many windows it will open. We don't know. That's why we need to write a while loop if we don't know what is the from where to where we're gonna loop. So what is the ending of the loop? So that's why I'm gonna write a while loop. So itr dot has next. So until it has this uh, object next window handle, keep looping. Okay, then we just need to using this itr dot next, we need to get the next window handle. So we are getting this with this next window handle. So we're gonna store this into the string, because the return type of the driver dot get window handle is string. So this single window handle string. So this is gonna be child window. Now, once we got this, we basically we need to switch to this window. So for that, we're gonna use driver dot switch to dot window. So you see, window, it will take a string name or handle of the window. So we have handle of the window, which is this one, child. So we're gonna write it. So now, after switching to child window, we need to close that window. We need to close that window. But the problem is when we are looping here, so this iterator is taking all the, this set is taking all the window handles, including the parent one, parent and all the children windows. So this will hold everything. And while we're looping through them, it will close, including the parent window. But here, it says close all except this window. Close all except the parent window. So let me show you. Let me show you how it works right now. So you see, it closed everything. So it closed, including open window I had here. So it closed everything. But we need to have the code that closes only child windows, not the parent window. For that, we're gonna write one uh, if logic, if if statement, and we will write parent window, parent window, if parent window, basically it's gonna be parent window 1. If parent window 1, if parent window 1 uh, dot equals child, not, it should be not, if parent window not equals to child, then do this action. So switch to that window and then close it. So it should not switch to the parent window. It should switch to all the windows except the parent window, all the child windows. So then it should close it. Now, before closing that, I want to print. So I want to, basically I want to use this code. Print the title. Print the title of each window. So let's copy that here. Once it switches, it prints the title and then closes. So let's see, I don't need this anymore, so I will delete it. Now, let's run it and see how it works. Okay. Okay. So you see, it didn't close the parent window. It only closed the child windows. So uh, here we're printing the handle window size, window handle size, and then it's printing the first child window title, the web page title, which is interact with hyperlinks, and then it clicks the prints the second page title, which is test leaf interact with buttons. So our test worked. So the second one, which is this one, this means it's worked. So we have completed this. Now the last one, wait for 2 new windows to open. So basically, when you click on this button, it should open after 5 seconds. It should open 2 new windows. You see? These windows now, one of them is the bond with buttons. Another one is play with hyperlink. So let me close them. Now, to do that, we need to wait 5 seconds, right? After clicking, after clicking, after clicking, after clicking, we need to wait 5 seconds. To wait 5 seconds, we can't use implicit wait. We need to use explicit wait. So we will write explicit wait, WebDriver wait, wait equals new WebDriver wait. And this will take the driver object as a parameter. Now we need to import WebDriver wait from Selenium. And also it will take the time unit as a second parameter. But in this recently it changed to duration dot of seconds 30. So not 30, like 10 seconds. Put 10 seconds. Okay, so we create an object of this WebDriver wait. Now, using this object, wait dot until method is gonna wait until expected conditions expected conditions are met. So what condition? Uh, in our case, we have one condition that is dot number of number of number of windows to be number of windows to be 3. So it will take the the number of the windows as a parameter, so integer. So in our case, once it clicks on that on this wait for 5 seconds button, it should basically wait 5 seconds, and then it will open the two windows, then it should close those windows. Get titles and then close those windows. So to click this button, we need to change the locator of this button. And we need to get the X spot. So button, square bracket, at the rate on click equals single quote. We put the value of the on click attribute and we close the single quote and close the square bracket. There you go. So it's taking this button with this X spot. So we copy this X spot and we change this X spot. So we change this X spot. Now, after clicking, it should wait. Basically, it should wait until this condition. So what is the condition? Until the number of windows to be 3. And it should wait until number of the windows to be 3. If this condition is not met, then it should wait 10 seconds. If in 10 seconds it will not complete this command, and it will throw exception. So that's it. So let's see how it works. Let's run it as a Java application. So yes, it worked. So it works. So you see, it printed all the window titles, the page titles. So it waited 5 seconds and then it clicked and then opened the windows. So this one also worked. So all this worked. So we have completed this test so successfully, and thank you so much for watching.